So when it comes to the SEO, the first and most crucial step is keyword research. So let's understand what are the keywords and why are they important. Okay, so keywords are the word and phrases people type in Google when searching for something. If your website is optimized for the right keywords, your chances of appearing in search engine increases dramatically. For example, if you are an interior designer in Bangalore, you will go to Google and type keywords like interior designers Bangalore or maybe best interior. So this is a particular keyword. So by targeting the right keyword, you're ensuring that the right audience can find you easily. So why keyword research matters for your business? Imagine you are spending thousands on marketing, but not targeting the right keywords. It's like opening a showroom in a remote area where no one visits. But with the strategic keyword research, you are placing your business on the busiest street in town, where customers are actively looking for you. So by choosing the right keywords, you can rank higher on Google, get more website traffic, and attract potential customers ready to convert. Now coming to the keywords, what are the different type of keywords? So basically there are two major type of keywords, short tail keywords and long tail keywords. Short tail keywords are the broad and competitive keywords. For example, if you type just interior designer, this is a broad keyword, which is also referred as the short tail keywords. See, interior designers can be anything. Like people might come with an intention to know what interior designer does or who are the interior designers. But when people come with more specific and intent-driven keywords, people will type like interior designers near me or interior designers in Bangalore or best interior designers, okay, or affordable interior designers for a small apartment in Bangalore. Those are the long tail keywords. Since short tail keywords have high competition, ranking for them takes time. However, long tail keywords have lower competition and often bring in high targeted leads. Keyword research isn't about guessing what people are searching for. It's about data-driven decisions. So here how it works. Start by listing down words related to your business. Okay, think about what your potential customers might search. So for example, if I'm an interior designer, my customer would be typing keywords like interior designer in Bangalore or maybe top 10 interior designer in Bangalore or maybe best interior designers in Bangalore. Okay, so what you can do is like you can note down all such keywords, make a list. But guessing keywords can be challenging, so we need to follow a data-driven approach using tools for keyword research. So there are both free and paid versions. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool by Google, while tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are premium alternatives. So let us start by exploring Google Keyword Planner. So what we need to do is like we need to go to Google and type Google Ads. Click on the first link which we get. Click on Start Now. So Google will ask you to fill up some basic information about your business. You can go ahead and click on create your first campaign. You can add the business name. So what you can do is like you can go ahead and skip these steps because we'll be covering them in details later on. So go ahead and just skip, click on leave campaign creation. So Google will ask you to add the billing information. You can add your card details. Google will not charge you until you start run the ad campaigns. Once you have filled the billing information, you will see a dashboard like this. So what you need to do is like in the left panel, there will be an option called tools. Under tools, there will be a keyword planner option. Click on that. So like Google will give you two options, discover new keywords or get search volumes and forecast. Okay. Let's choose discover new keywords. Now let's say we are doing for an interior designer in Bangalore. I'll just type interior designer in Bangalore and click on get results. Now what Google will do is like Google will give us a list of all those keywords which is related to our business. For example, we just type interior designer in Bangalore. Now Google has suggested 547 more keywords. Keywords like best interior designers in Bangalore, home interior designers in Bangalore, home interiors Bangalore. Along with the keywords, Google has also given us few other parameters like average monthly searches. It means that like how many searches are happening on a monthly basis. What is the trend which is happening? 3 months change. Is the keywords being searched more or less? Year on year changes. Again, the trend. Like we can understand through all these parameters, we can understand which all particular keywords we need to work on. Then what are the key competition of those keywords? Is it medium? Medium means like, yeah, we can work on it. It's not too competitive, but that's not an easy task as well. On the other hand, if the competition is low for a particular keyword, it means that like it's easy to rank compared to all the other keywords. Now, top of the page bit shows us what are the minimum cost which Google would be charging on per click. So, if you are running Google ad campaigns, if any visitor comes and click on our website link based on that particular keyword, what would be the minimum range and what would be the maximum range Google would be charging us. So, there are a lot of data which has been provided by Google. Now, we need to utilize this data to select what are the important keywords which we can attack first. For example, this particular keyword, if you see, again, this is the brand keywords. We'll do our due intelligence on like whenever we are selecting these keywords. Okay, but you can see there is a growth of 900%. Means more and more people have started searching particular this keyword. Same, best interior design in Bangalore. Again, there is a 900% growth, and competition is medium. These are the prices which we is been paid out to the Google Ads. So now we have a list of all those keywords. What we need to do next is export all these particular keywords. So there is a small icon at the top where you can click and then you will get two options. Either you want to export to CSV or you want to export to the Google Sheets. I click on Google Sheet, click on downloads. I have created Google Sheet for all those keywords. So I'll click on open sheet. Now as you can see that we have a list of keywords. It's like more than 500 keywords with lot of data in it. So for every keywords we have lot of information such as what is the monthly searches of all those keywords, what is the competition, what is the trends which is going on, and what are the Google Ads prices. Now among this list we need to select the best keywords which we can rank for. Okay, now let's take another example of a digital marketing company. So we go to again tools, keyword planner, click on discover new keywords and type digital marketing company in Bangalore and click on get results. Okay, so Google has suggested 167 keywords related to digital marketing company in Bangalore. So now what we'll do is like we'll export all these particular keywords which Google has suggested us. So if you see there is an icon to download all this particular keyword. There are two options available, Google Sheet and CSV. We'll go for Google Sheets. Click on download. Now Google have downloaded all the sheets, so we'll click on open sheets. Now we have a list of all the keywords which is related to digital marketing company, and we have got additional informations like average monthly searches, what is the competition of those keywords, and what is the Google Ads bid which is going on. Now it's very important to focus on low competition keywords because they are easier to rank for and can quickly drive targeted traffic. For a website that is new or haven't invested much in SEO, ranking for high competition keyword is extremely challenging. High competition keywords may have higher search volume, but they require significant time and resources to compete against established players. So by strategically targeting low competition keywords, we can build authority and gradually move towards more competition keywords over time. So what we'll do is like we'll sort these particular keywords based on the competition. So now we have a list of all the keywords which have low competition. So as you can see, out of 997 keywords which was exported from Google, we have 153 keywords which has low competition. Okay. Now we will work with structured keyword sets rather than targeting hundred of keywords at once. To begin, we will select 30 highly relevant keywords, optimize for them, and then gradually expand to additional keywords. Our selection process will be based on various factors such as search volume and competition level. Now, in this case, we will prioritize keywords with a positive year-on-year growth trend, focusing on emerging low competition keywords. Okay, so now what we need to do is like we need to sort this year-on-year trend from high to low. So sort seed, jet to A. Okay, now we have got this particular keywords which has grown 900% compared to the last year. It means that like people have started searching these particular keywords more compared to the all the other keywords. So these are the best keywords which we can target first. So there are close to 15 such keywords. What I'll do is like I'll select top 30 keywords from this list and start working on them. All the keywords which we have selected, we need to classify them by search intent. So keywords can be categorized into four types, which are informational keywords, navigational keywords, commercial keywords, and transactional keywords. Keywords are used when users are seeking knowledge on a particular topic. This searches typically occurs at the early stage of the buyer's journey, where the user is not yet ready to make a purchase but is instead researching a subject. For example, how to improve website SEO. A business owner looking for SEO strategies. What is PPC advertising? Someone researching paid ads. Best social media marketing strategies. A marketer gathering insights. How does content marketing help business? A company exploring content marketing. Email marketing best practices. A digital marketing researching techniques. These keywords focus on gathering information and typically do not indicate an immediate purchasing intent. Now moving to navigational keywords. Navigational keywords are used when users are searching for a specific brand, website, or web page. These searches often involve brand names or exactly domain searches because the user already know where they want to go. For example, Google Ads login, a user trying to access their ad account. SEMrush pricing page, a marketer checking pricing details. Facebook Ads Manager, a digital marketing looking for the ads platform. Unlike informational keywords, navigational searches are brand specific and often direct traffic to a particular site. Moving to commercial keywords. Commercial keywords are used when users are in the research phase before making a purchase. They indicate an intent to buy in near future but do not immediately lead to a transaction. These keywords often include words like best, top, reviews, and comparison. Example: best digital marketing agencies for a startup, top social media marketing tools, email marketing software comparison, best CRM for small business. Some keywords may seem navigational but are actually commercial because they suggest an intent to make a purchase. For example, SEO consultant near me, best digital marketing agency near me. While it contains near me a navigational trait, but it suggests hiring a services, making it a commercial keyword. So commercial keywords indicate that the user is close to make a decision but is still in the research process. Now moving to the transactional keywords. Transactional keyword signals that the user is ready to take an action, whether that's purchasing a service, subscribing to a tool, or booking a consultant. These keywords typically contain action-oriented words like buy, hire, subscribe, order, or sign up. Example: hire a digital marketing agency, buy SEO backlink package, order social media marketing services, subscribe to an email marketing tool. Even if the certain keywords don't contain keywords like buy or order, they can still be a transactional keyword. For example, start a Google ad campaign that doesn't have any buy or purchase keyword in that, but still it's a transactional keyword. Sign up for SEO consulting. We need to category all the keywords which we have selected under these four categories. For example, how to improve website SEO will be an informative kind of keyword. HubSpot blog will be a navigational keyword. Best CRM for small businesses will be a commercial keyword. And hiring a digital marketing agency will be a transactional keyword. So coming back to our list, now we need to add a column categorize all the keywords in those four categories. For example, best digital marketing in Bangalore, this will be a commercial keyword. Google Ads agency in Bangalore will be a commercial keyword. Best social media marketing agency in Bangalore will be a commercial keyword. Find the couple of keywords which have the other brand's name also. So we need to ignore that particular keywords as of now. We'll have different strategies for such keywords. Now, since we are ready with the top 30 keywords which we need to attack, I'll copy these particular keywords and paste it in a new tab. We are ready with the keyword list, which was our first step in SEO. The next step is to optimize these keywords in our website so that we can start ranking up in SEO. For watching, we'll see in the next lecture.